you want an almond? Do you want an almond? She took it out of my hand, but I don't think it made it on the camera. I wasn't expecting that. It was an almond too. Let's try this again. Come on, let's try this again, but let's try and do it on the camera. You just did it, Bushytail. You can do it again. Here. Oh, man. Anyway, Bushytail and I know that she take the almonds out of my hand each time, so. And we've got the birds as witnesses. We'll try again later. Do you want another? Maybe if I don't have you zoomed up so much, you can see how close she is. Let me throw her. They're all going to take off soon. My mom's cleaning lady is on her way, so I'm going to go ahead and go in and come out later.